welcome to Leila's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Alfredo sauce. You can use it for pasta, pizza, or even as a dip. Let's start. The ingredients are simple. Half of a stick of butter, a cup of heavy cream or half and half. I'm going to use half and half. A cup of grated Romano, or if you don't have it, Parmesan is okay. Salt and pepper to taste. Now I start the stove in medium heat. I'm going to add the butter to melt and I wait. As you see, the butter is melted. Now I'm going to add half and half. I want to keep it stirring. Now I'm going to add the cheese. The last step, I'm going to add salt and pepper. And just a little bit salt because Parmesan or Romano are salty. The sauce takes a little longer to thicken with half and half, but Alfredo sauce is a very rich and unhealthy sauce when using heavy cream. That's why I prefer to use half and half. After 10 minutes, the Alfredo sauce is ready. That is the consistency that you are looking for. Bon appetit!